Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And currently I'm working on the Microsoft Swift key, so this is how to change the language in this keyboard. All we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon and tap on settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and here we've been transferred to the list of pre-installed languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe Greek. Just tap on it. Okay. Okay, allow, whatever. And as you can see, the Greek will be kind of installed, and after that it will appear at the top of the list right here. It is turned on, so it will be applied. Now we can go back to the keyboard and check, and basically we've got two different languages, so the English and the Greek. In order to change the language, we have to swipe on the spacebar, and as you can see here we've got the Greek layout. We can do it again to set the English. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages to leave only one. Just enter the settings again and the languages, and here just tap on the switcher to turn off the language. You can also long press to delete, so it will not be in this section. It's up to you. Tap on delete, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.